snake the clean out, and water's still there. So it's probably somewhere in here. I had a feeling that was the case when I took the clean out cap off, but I still wanted to snake it out because I'm very familiar with this building, and all of the pipes are old cast iron galvanized mix, so didn't hurt to do that. So let's see what we got in here. So gotta clear some stuff out to capture the water. So I found this in there. And that, my friend, is what you call clogged. I mean, that's bad. Alright, so I go to take that off, and of course it just snaps right off. So I'm gonna have to repipe this anyway. You can tell someone was caulking over this or doing something, because these damn things always leak. But I think we're good here. Alright, got that out. I cut that back because when I repipe it, I'm not going to have enough space with a no-hub band. So unfortunately, I have to go to Ace Hardware. I've called a bunch of plumbing supply stores, and nobody has this. It's not your typical basket strainer, which is that. I don't have any of those on the truck, so we'll have to come back tomorrow and finish this job.